Hello, here is BB Walker. Welcome to my channel again. This is another quick video about tips and tricks with Yamaha PSR keyboard, and this particular video is an exclusive answer to Crystal Angel Lazarus, who have asked very interesting questions about triggering style while changing the registration bank. So if you are interested in how to do such a quick and interesting tip, stay tuned and we will start in a moment. Alright, so I won't be repeating myself. This is the link to the original discussion over the video about registration banks. Please take a look in here if you are interested in. I will explain you the goal, the task that we want to achieve today. So basically, if you have a style, prepared with accompaniment. As you can see now, accompaniment is enabled. If you start it and we are playing it, but we want to have an registration bank in here, which will be under this number 1. Now it's cleared because I will show you all the steps that you need to do. But basically, I would like to trigger the rhythmic part while changing from 1 to 2, and if I go back to 1, I still won't have silence on the rhythmic part, and I want to have the full keyboard available for me. For example, for playing nice intro or ending on the song, and I won't only use those 2 buttons to change. Of course, you can also attach this to foot controller to do this without your hands. So, how to do this? Now, we got the style called Power Rock. Basically, it's not important which style, but the accompaniment is enabled. Power Rock is selected. We get grand piano on right one, and now this style, this whole configuration is stored under number 2 registration bank, and now I will do some changes. Well, under the video, I have answered that it is impossible to trigger start-stop while changing the registration bank because the state of the instrument isn't stored in the file that holds the registration memory features. They are here, but I won't making a digression now. But there is a trick that you can, fake this behavior. So we will use the channel on-off, and we will be pressing it until we will see the style channel on off, and I will disable, not this button, channel on off, and I will disable rhythmic part 1 and 2 because I want to silence the style. And now if I hit the start, the style is playing because you can see this blinking red and light and green light. I will also disable accompaniment in here because I don't want to have accompaniment, and then I will save it into registration bank number 1, and this is actually all. And now the demonstration how it flies. So I'm on the 1. I need to start the style. This is crucial to start the style at the beginning of your performance and play something. Alright, so it was the presentation of the trick, and now a little bit explanation because this is BB Walker and we are always explaining the stuff. So basically, as I said before, you cannot store the information, so you cannot trigger display stop event. Of course, you can do it with external MIDI device like Looper, which you can send and synchronize the rhythm, but it's a lot other more complicated video. The assumptions, the goal, and you may be wondering why we are doing such a thing. We could of course use fingers, but the Crystal asked for a solution hands-free, and basically she's playing something and we're using foot controller to change the registration bank from 1 to 2, and the rhythm should go off. So this is why we are doing this trick. So the channel is muted, the rhythm is started, everything is placed on the each red light. You got the first bit and measure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and etc. So you know where you are, and after you are playing your intro on ending, you are switching 1, 2, 3, 4, and you are going back. So in technical terms, the style is playing all the time, but then accompaniment is disabled, and this information is stored in the registration memory, and the channel 1 and 2 is disabled, and this information is also stored in the registration file. So I hope you like this video, and as always, if you have any questions, comments, you want to have a solution, some workaround to some stuff, don't hesitate to contact me using comment sections. Thanks for watching, thanks for likes and subscribers. See you later. It was BB Walker. Good luck.